In this video, I will show you how to unlink Epic Games account from Rockstar Social Club. Go to Rockstar's support website, select Account Support, then select Rockstar Games account, then Account Linking. Fill in the details like enter your gamer tag, PSN ID, Xbox ID or Social Club nickname. In the description, write, "Hi, I would like to unlink my Epic Games account from my Rockstar Social Club account." Include your Epic Games account ID. Submit the request. Rockstar usually responds within 24 hours. Rockstar support is the best option to get this fixed. Responses usually takes under 24 hours. That's it. Now you know how to apply for Unlink Epic Games account from Rockstar Social Club. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.